This ice cream machine will get you excited. It can produce multiple ice cream bars at once before you know it. Thousands are ready to go. Truly smooth to watch. This machine slices large blocks of meat simply by gliding them across the blade, producing perfectly square cuts that look incredibly appealing. Pretty fast and efficient, right? Large fish are quickly cut into sections. Each piece is sliced with precise centimeter-level thickness. Next, you'll witness the chicken processing procedure inside a factory. Each chicken moves along the conveyor line, where workers hang them up for the next stage. You've probably never witnessed a scene like this before. Tens of thousands of chickens rush forward the moment the farmer scatters the feed. Wow! An incredible tractor rescue in action. Have you ever witnessed massive machines working deep in the forest? This harvester can collect tens of tons of wheat in just a single pass across the field. With just a compact chainsaw, he can cut the log into perfectly square pieces. Let's give him a round of applause. With its powerful cutting force, the machine can process several tons of large timber every hour. A truly perfect workflow. Hit subscribe to see more of these amazing machines.